This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can change the video coding or encoding format on this drone. So the very first step that you need to take is to switch your camera to the video shooting mode, either by pressing the dedicated RC button, or you can also tap at the icon on top of the shutter button, and in the menu that follows, select video. Now, while the video mode is selected, switch the camera mode from auto automatic to pro mode by tapping at this icon to the bottom right of the display, rather. Now tap at the first section there, or just anywhere on the parameters here. Afterwards, just make sure that the first section is selected, the preferences, and now scroll down to see the coding format, which you can now switch between H.264 and H.265 by selecting the appropriate format. You can also do that while the video mode is selected through the general settings, so tap at those three dots, then at the settings, among settings categories, select camera, and here you'll also, at the very top, basically you'll also find the coding format switch, which you can select or put at H.264 format or H.265. Well, as far as this video goes, that's about it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.